Okay, I've got another render of the rent system. This one's real-time, but instead of drawing 40,000 cubes using batch draw with graphics inside the Unity scripting, I'm doing instantiation of maybe around 100 cubes, and they each have components with RigidBody and Collider, so that way not only are we using compute shader to move the positions, we're also having the cubes interact with each other and rotate when they collide. So I wanted to get a mixture of the two because I'd like to have simulations for things involving a little bit of gravity as well. So I want to take advantage of the physics engine inside Unity. Still got fairly good performance. But of course I'm not drawing that many things. But around 700 frames per second, but the number of batches is fairly large now because I'm not just doing a couple big batches to draw the same shape over and over. So you can see that each cube is instantiated. It actually exists within the hierarchy, and I could take a look at any of them inside the inspector. I've got the light shining fairly bright aside so that way you can see the cubes interacting with each other a little bit better.